You know, you'll know him. His name's Derek Estelle. And he made the national news on his second escape attempt from the Garland County Jail. He was on the phone, and then he jumped the booking counter and went through this small hole. And then this cop named Schroeder went after him. And Derek went off and got in the car and hauled ass for, I don't know, 2 or 3, 4 months. But that was his second escape attempt. The first time he escaped, he was tied to me. See, they called me out of D Block to go to court. And I walked up there, and they tied me and chained me to Derek Estelle. Now, I knew Derek because we had a mutual lover. And that was really the first time, outside of seeing him in a restaurant or something, I'd ever really talked to him. As we walked across the parking lot, he stuck his tongue out and showed me the handcuff key. And when they got us in the jury box, he told me, "Come with me, dog. Let's go get some pussy." And I told him, "Derek, I ain't gonna do that. I'm already in enough trouble." And so he unlocked the key, unlocked the shackles, his hands were already free. And about that time, they come walking by and checking on it. And there was a bailiff named Honeycutt. And Honeycutt looked down there, and Derek hit him square coming over the top of that jury box. And I'll never forget, it was surreal. These moments slow down. And Honeycutt grabbed that gun and was coming over with it like that. And Derek had a hold of him, and Honeycutt was pointing that gun at everybody that was in the seats. And my mom going, "Oh my. Oh my." Like it was crystal clear. And Derek just took off hauling ass. They caught him later. It didn't take long on his first escape attempt. And then they come and turned me upside down because they told him I gave him the key for $100. That's when I told him I made it out of fucking soap. No shit. Real story. God bless you. Fluid English.